We have talked several times about things that help with hair growth, and today's tip works for hair and for beards. Did you know that? If you dream of having long hair or a lumberjack beard, you will love this recipe we will show you. Do you know someone who wants to grow their hair or a man who wants to grow his beard? Share this video with them. There are hundreds of proven formulas for hair and beard growth. Both men and women experience hair loss at some point in their lives. But did you know that peppermint oil is proven to be efficient for hair growth? Recent research shows that the oil of Mentha piperita, another name for peppermint, is even more efficient than minoxidil, a drug full of side effects for hair growth. Did you know that? Be it to interrupt hair loss and baldness or intensify your beard growth, peppermint oil can surely help you. The main ingredient of peppermint oil is menthol, responsible for its beneficial effects. It produces a refreshing sensation and is commonly used as flavoring for foods and beverages and fragrance for soaps and cosmetics. Peppermint essential oil is one of the best oils to alleviate migraines and headaches, allergies, pain and inflammation, and eliminate warts. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Using peppermint oil is super easy. Combine 15 drops of peppermint with 1 ounce of carrier oil such as jojoba or coconut oil. After that, pour the mixture into a glass pipette bottle. After that, part your hair in half and apply 4 drops of the peppermint mixture over your head. Gently massage with your fingertips. Part each side in half again and use the oil once more. Do that twice a day, in the morning and at night. Oh, if you want, you can also add it to your shampoo. Add 23 drops of the peppermint mixture to 6.7 ounces of your daily shampoo. For your beard, the procedure is to apply 2 drops of the mixture in the desired area and massage. Let it act for at least 30 minutes. Before starting this treatment, do an allergy test on your forearm to ensure you won't have any skin reactions. And remember to not let the mixture touch your eyes. So, what do you think of this recipe? Did you know about this study and the benefits of peppermint? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.